Okay, this is a video for an Electriaq Dehumidifier. The problem I had with mine, fan was spinning okay, but it just wasn't collecting any water. I took it apart, which we'll show you in a second, gave it a clean with a little clean paintbrush and a hoover. I just wiped it up, gave it another test, and it didn't work again. So I investigated it a bit further. So in order to take this apart, you've got, if you take the drawer out, this is the normal drawer for it, you've got 2 screws at the top and 2 screws just there at the bottom. And then if you turn it around to the back section here, you've got a screw there, down there, and then you've got 2 on either side, up, and then there, and there. Once you've taken the front section off, which is just those 2 screws, this is down the bottom, slide it across, that back there, it's just held on with this ribbon cable, which you could take off if you want to, but it's easier to get on. You've got another screw here and another screw here, and once you remove those 2, then this back section will come away. So something to note on this section here, there's a little vent, which is a little air vent. Mine, which is actually here, mine was completely clogged up with dust. So again, give it a little bit of a clean. There's obviously some sort of sensor reader in there. That didn't work when I did mine. So another screw here, and I don't know, to be sensible, figure out where the rest of them are. And then it just unclip, and this is the main circuit board gubbins of it. So let's have a quick look around in here, and I noticed this is the capacitor for the pump. So if you're not sure, and as you can see, you can just about make out that it's blown. So I went to Amazon, I'll just zoom in so you can see the number on that. I went to Amazon, and this is the best I could find as a replacement. It's called a double pole capacitor, 450 volts, you can see. I need to tell you about that, you can figure it out. So if you're not sure how a dehumidifier works, you've got your condenser pump down here. This produces warm water, which flows through one of the radiators. I'm not sure which one's which. One radiator is cold, one radiator is hot, and then the water condensates, on this radiator, and then that then leads into here, which obviously you can connect a hose to, or that will then drip into the top of the tray, just in that section there. So another point you might want to try is maybe get a cotton bud or something in there and clean that hose out. That's a common point where it clogs up. And just over here you can see that's the micro switch for the drawer. So either put the drawer back in, or you can just put a bit of tape or something on that to see if you can test it. So this section here, chamber, will get warm, but the pipes are not getting hot or cold, so the pump's not running, which is the reason why we've got a new capacitor. So hopefully that will give you some help in fixing yours.